Now I'm moving to the dynamic support and resistance. Look at, go in the moving average, okay? And the moving average, you will find many EMS, SMA, EMS, WMA, or and SSMA. So we work with only simple moving average or exponential moving average. Exponential moving average, I take 50 period and color red and I apply. Look at the how I am using this EMA. This EMA gives me a two messages. One message, this is a support and resistance, and second message, it gave me a direction of the trend. When you found price above the 50 EMA, it means there is a uptrend. And when you found price below the 50 EMA, it means there is a downtrend. And when you found price between, look at this price and this price and this EMA is between. It means these candles are between the EMA. There is a ranging market. It's 100% confirmed there is a ranging market. Okay, but if price is above like that, so this is a uptrend, a strong uptrend. Price again come to this EMA in the between the EMA. So this is a ranging market or the consolidation market. We can consider look like that. This price is between. So this is the ranging market, and price is below. It means the downtrend. Price is above, downtrend. Now, how we can say that this is the support and resistance? Look at when this 50 EMA price come to this level, reject from this level, reject from this level, reject from this level, going up. Again, come to this level. Look at the operation, reject from this level and goes up. Again, breakout happen. Again, look at how take the resistance, resistance, breakout happen, resistance. So these are the levels. So how 50 EMA give us a data? This is the past 50 candles data. Okay, there is some formula about plus minus high, plus minus high of candle, low of candle, close of candle, and high, low, close, and open up. So this is the formula. They combine all things and subtract, minus, and divide, and something like that. There is a formula. At the end, it will show us a trend about the 50 candles. So these lines can be used for the support and resistance and can be used for the trend direction. Get every time when price come to this level, so get support, price come to this level, get resistance to get. This is called the dynamic. If you follow 100 EMA, also 100 EMA will work for the support and resistance. Each and every EMA or SMA line work for the support and resistance. This support and resistance is called dynamic support. So this is dynamic. Yellow color. Look at the marquee. From here, price get support. Price get support. Get support. Get support. So if you need to use the EMAs in your chart, you can use. But if you don't need, you are good in the support and resistance to plotting the support and resistance on the patterns and the recent. So you don't need to use these EMAs. But these EMAs you can use only 50 and 100 EMA because these two EMAs are very essential in the trading, and these EMAs will give you the hint about the ranging market, trending market, give you the support and resistance, major support and resistance level. So these EMAs show the major support and resistance level also. Okay.